You got the touch. You got the
Arise, Rodimus Prime.
Rodimus Bill here, and today we're doing LEGO Star Wars Advent Calendar Day 19 reveal. And the reveal is, let's see, there is 19. And it is the AT-AT Walker from Star Wars The Last Jedi? Or is it from Rouge One? I think it's from The Last Jedi since it's orange. And we'll have a picture of this built right after the video. So that is the AT-AT Walker, or the Imperial Walker. And now let's recap real quick. Let's see, day 18 was the TIE Fighter, which we haven't had on video yet. There it is. It's a very nice TIE Fighter. So far they've done a good job with all of these vehicles. 17 is the something Guarvian Death Gang member. That was 17. Let's see how fast I can do. 16 is the Rathtar. Also, these guys are together from The Last Jedi. 15. See, now it's getting hard because there's so many of them. 15 is the Death Trooper from Rogue One. Let's see, 16, 15. Where is 14? Is the weapons rack. Not my favorite. It's a rehash of old. Let's get all these guys together. Now we're on 13, which is right. Can't find 13. Here we go. Imperial Troop Transport, First Order. 12. And the 12th day of Christmas, the Star Wars Advent Calendar gave to me Anakin's Jedi Starfighter. 11 is Rowan Freemaker from the Freemaker Adventures. So that was 11.